In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to do a backflip. But first, who am I? I'm David Kowalczyk. I'm a health coach, entrepreneur, and a past professional athlete in acrobatics and scooter tricks. The step one is most important step. Find a safe place with person looking over you to make sure you are safe. Do it on a trampoline, do it on a mattress, do it to the foams, the softest thing you can find. Step number two would be to get used to going over your head, breaking this psychological barrier, which is going backwards, which simply what we are going to do now is we are going to roll backwards. Once you find yourself comfortable with rolling backwards over your head, that's when we will get to step number 3. So now we are again rolling backwards over our heads, but we are landing on our feet. So we are conditioning our brain that once we go backwards over our head, the main goal is to land on our feet and not on our face. Which is step number 4 is doing a side flip, which I don't see many backflip tutorials recommend to do. I learned to do a backflip on the ground, like break this mental psychological barrier of doing side backflip, which is something like going sideways but going into backflip. So the only difference is you can run and you can get some momentum from your rotation from going sideways to going backwards. I haven't seen anyone talk about this before, so I can claim it as my strategy. What you are going to practice now is rolling sideways, but rolling over your head and landing on your feet like before, which I'm not going to show because I'm all over the sand already. So you do it on your own mattress or trampoline, and once you feel comfortable with this, we will get to step number 5. Step number 5, we are really starting to go into backflip already. We will try to do backflip, but we land on our hands and we get higher and higher. So, first time you will be doing this will not look like this, but will look like more like this with hands. Do you get it? And once you get more comfortable, we are getting higher and higher and higher. Once you get to this level, we are going to do your side backflip. So you're going to run onto it, going to run on side, on your toes, and then you are going to side flip, but do it as a backflip. You're going to run onto the side flip and do backflips. And once you feel comfortable with this, we get to the last step, which is final step, which is doing a proper backflip. So now get one of your friends to assecurate you. So what they are going to do is they are going to hold you by your shirt, and once you jump up and commit to the backflip like this, you jump up, commit to the backflip, you roll in, they are going to rotate you, but you have to have your own kind of rotation. It doesn't work if you just jump up because you will end up on your head. So do it to the foams or the mattress, as I recommend. So your friend will hold you, and once you get into this position, they hold you by your shirt with one hand, which is my right hand, and they are going to hold left hand under your ankle, and they are going to flip you over. I know it sounds scary, but that's how it works. You will do here, here, and once you start rolling in, they are going to rotate you over your back. This is the final step to learning your own backflip. And remember, learning a backflip is a process. It's not just watching this 5 or 10 minute video. It's breaking your psychological and physical barrier bit by bit, little by little, until you can do backflips like me. And this is all for this video. If you have any questions, comment below your questions. I respond to every single comment. If you want to get healthier and don't know where to start, DM me on my Instagram. God bless you and have a beautiful backflip learning journey.